So here we are in Papineauville at Fairweather Farm, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how I take care of my eggplants. So right here we got some nice beautiful eggplant. You can see the plant is just loaded with lots of beautiful eggplants. And basically the way I've been able to achieve this is we're growing here on a black plastic mulch. This is going to hold in some extra humidity. It adds some temperature to the soil. Eggplants being a tropical plant, they love the heat, so this is great for them. And it also means that we don't have to do as much weeding, because right here, only this tiny little area where a weed could come in, and if it comes, I'll just pluck it away. But all this area is covered and protected, so we're not going to have any competition. The plants are not going to be competing for water, light, and nutrients with the weeds, which they would be stealing from them. So then I'll show you guys just quickly a little bit of what we got going on here. So on this plant, I've got 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. What we're looking for here is 2 to 3 heads per plant, and we're going to be removing any suckers. A sucker will basically form between your principal stem and a branch, and it'll come right at the crotch, right here, right where they intersect. So if we look over here, I'm going to try and find one for you. Let's see what we got. We actually don't have any on this plant, which is good, but for demonstration purposes, it's a little boring. Okay, so here's what we're talking about. So here we've got our main stem. Okay, this is the main stem. We've got a branch, and then right in the crotch here, this little guy, this fake head, this is called a sucker. So what's going to happen is if I let this grow, this is going to come out, it's going to produce flowers, but these flowers are probably not going to come to fruit. I want my flowers on the top, on the real head, the true head right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this guy, and I'm going to remove any of these that are not part of my 2 to 3 heads per plant. And by doing this is going to prevent the plant from wasting energy on this, and it's going to send it more into growing taller and producing some nice eggplants like this guy. So that's basically what we're doing here for the eggplant pruning.